Oh, Borso, anong basa dito?
Soft drinks.
Ang galing mo talaga. Anong English ng saging?
Lakatan.
Anong hayop pa nagsisimula sa letter L?
Elephant.
Ang galing. Anong English ng bahay? Kubo. Very good. First honor.
Third, fourth. This one has 5 gears. You got your clutch, brake, accelerator. Here's the key. You ready?
Hi,
Hello.
fantastic.
Coca-Cola stick.